today's video, we're going to be talking about the replacements or the alternatives that you'll be using once you run out of the grease and the lubricants that come with your press. Now, with the grease gun, you will always be using heavy-duty grease from WD-40. This is what you'll be using every single time. It's just a really heavy-duty grease. Now, when it comes to the VMD18, okay, these are questions I get asked all the time. When it comes to VMD18, your replacement is going to be WD-40 gel lubricant, okay? And for the VT800, this is a lubricant as well. What you'll be replacing that with is WD-40 white lithium grease. And then anytime you have a chain-driven press, you're gonna get chain lubrication, and what you'll be replacing that with is other chain lubrication.